Okay. Alright, this is my spare Lightning 2. Got to this point here, and I thought I'd try and fire it up and see what happens. I'm not quite ready, really. You can see the air filter assembly is absolute rubbish, and could be a lot of settling and adjustments to make, but we'll see if the bloody thing goes, eh? I'll prime it a little bit. Well, I saw that fuel rush round there, so that's fine. Think that glowy should be good. Let's see if it fires up alright. Well, I'll try another glowy. Quickly. There we go. Whoa, not bad, not bad at all. Okay, whew.